The old rules of work are breaking down, and everyone can feel it. For decades, those rules shaped what it meant to be successful. They told us how to behave, what to value, and what to sacrifice. But today, those rules no longer work for anyone. Not leaders, not teams, not seasoned professionals, and not the newest generation entering the workforce. And the signs are everywhere. People who once thrived by paying their dues are now burning out. Young professionals who follow the traditional path discover the ladder has fewer rungs than ever. Managers who were trained to lead one way now find those methods falling flat. And organizations built on assumptions from another era are struggling to attract and retain talent. The problem isn't the people, it's that the world changed and the rules didn't. For years, these rules were treated as universal truths. Work hard and you'll be rewarded. Stay loyal and the company will take care of you. Climb the ladder one step at a time. Put in the hours to prove your commitment. Leave your personal life at the door. Stay quiet, keep your head down, and advancement will follow. Those rules formed the backbone of entire careers. They shaped identity, ambition, leadership, and expectations. But here's the shift. Most of those rules were designed for a world that no longer exists. Let's break it down. Rule number 1, work hard and you'll be rewarded. In today's environment, hard work doesn't always lead to stability or recognition. Layoffs and restructures happen regardless of performance. Younger workers grew up watching top performers lose their jobs anyway. They learned early that effort is not a guarantee of security. Rule number 2, stay loyal to one another. Loyalty used to be a mutual agreement. Today, most people have seen loyalty flow only one direction. Younger generations don't reject loyalty, they just don't see evidence that it's reciprocated. Rule number 3, climb the ladder. The ladder is flatter, narrower, and sometimes missing entirely. People aren't abandoning ambition, they simply don't see a clear path upward. Rule number 4, hours equal commitment. Technology changed this. AI changed this. Outcomes matter more than time, and people know it. Gen Z didn't create this shift, they're just the first to say it out loud. Rule number 5, work comes before well-being. The consequences of this rule are written across industries: burnout, turnover, disengagement, and declining trust. Younger professionals are rejecting burnout not because they lack drive, but because they saw what it did to the generations before them. Here's the real truth. These rules didn't break because of one generation's attitude. They broke because the workplace environment evolved and the rules didn't evolve with it. Older generations survived inside these rules. Younger generations are refusing to repeat the same patterns, and every generation in between is trying to reconcile what they were taught and what they're experiencing. This isn't rebellion, it's an overdue correction, a recalibration toward healthier expectations, a redesign of what it means to contribute, a shift from endurance towards sustainability, a move from obedience toward clarity, trust, and mutual respect. What we're seeing now is not a decline in work ethic, it's a transformation in the philosophy of work itself. The future will belong to leaders and organizations who understand this shift, who recognize that people aren't rejecting work, they're rejecting outdated rules that no longer deliver fairness, growth, or stability. In our next video, we'll explore where this transformation is heading and what it means for leaders, consultants, and coaches who want to help shape what comes next.